what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are heading down south to Palm Beach International Raceway, better known as Moroso to the boomers. And to the youngins like myself, the place where street racing made safe, one of the greatest events ever hosted, is no longer there because new track management. We have a beautiful Christina ready to play today. Have some playtime with her car friends. Me and the gang is getting ready to attend today's festivities, waiting on Robert, Fred, and Caitlin to show up. And then, I don't know if Mai's coming or not. I'm not sure. But other than that, the gang is going to be forwarding to Palm Beach International Raceway. Yeah.
It's the story of my life. I be high. Then I be low, I be low, then I be high. It's like a battle knife to a gunfight. No need to worry, this is the story of my life.
I feel sorry for anybody who does not have a Wawa in their local facility that they can go to get gas, sometimes ass, and tropical mango vitamin water. Bro, this, I'm telling you, this right here, smash. Now I put y'all on the market side lemonade that Walmart be selling. Now I'm gonna put y'all on that tropical mango vitamin water. Trust me, bro. Robert's Daily right here, fam. You see the boy tucking in. Man, look at this boy. Look at this boy. Look at this vlogging ass nigga.
Yo, your boy monetized now.
Boy, Fred monetized. Ooh! Hey, drop it low for the vlog. Hey,
He thought about it.
He thought about it.
Thought about what?
About dropping that shit, nigga.
Hey, hey man, toot that thing up, bro. I can't believe this nigga cut my head like this. I thought we was boys, fam. Now I'm out here looking like a stepdad named Raekwon that work on the weekends at Taco Bell. This is not it. Come on, man. Come on, dawg. I feel like Boosie for real, man. What type of fish stuff can I come up with to piss Fred off today? I wonder what Fred be thinking about, man.
I the bumper pussy ras caught that boy had the dog. Man drive like him on some blood clot idiot up on the road. Him better not kill me after the dog. John know yo. Fix up on the argument. Yo, that boy Paris is better than move like some swimmers to the dog. John know every day man move like some swimmers. Lava. Yo, my yo, move up with the fisherman talking. But I want to do this kunta kinte looking idiot boy yo. Do master father God me I beg you. Don't let that boy the Paris to take off the hat they round me the man fired look like one mongrel dog karate. Yo Rasta fire panda. But I ready bomber clock y'all talk about.
Alright, before I get copyrighted, we are here at IFO.
Some 20 people. They started the CCWs though.
Oh, he still got it, man. That's what you talking about.
Alright, selling them.
Man, this thing is nice, bro. That blue, inside's painted right-hand drive. I showed you guys this last time, but if you're new to the channel, Florida, bro. Florida native.
I like that though. That looks
but
nice.
we can make it.
Oh, look, he did it. That's vacuum though. But yeah, that's all vacuum.
Yeah, that's nice.
Need that.
He did a good job on this, man.
That, yeah. This is nice. I mean, it's actually stock, isn't it?
Don't sleep on the Stingers, fam. Do not sleep on the Stingers.
Hey, use it straight in.
Yeah, this is nice right here. Carbon fiber, interior. Nice, bro. This guy lives in my town. Well, not my town, but he lives in the same place I live. The same city I live in. Hey, bro, you hot?
Yeah, bro. Shit hot as fuck.
All right. Honda content, brother.
Like 40 bucks.
Yeah, I know I'm the best recorder ever, but some car just got his gearbox clapped up, so ain't no racing going on right now. So it's hot as hell. I feel like Django. Keem! What's happening, bro?
But yeah, if you want, you just double back.
That boy Keem is back in action. If Keem is now rocking a K24, and I can say it's power because he already showed it. He makes 266 on motor and 3-something on nitrous.
Oh, he has a hybrid on the side there.
We gotta get our Evos. That is the goal, to be Evo'd out.
Yep, it'll be me, you, and Beach.
Yep, me, Bish, and Randish, all in our Evos. chilling. Can't wait, bro. I'm gonna get my Evo this year. For sure this year. That boy Lewis's setup on the Graham lights, which I wanted to buy, but I don't like the dust blue. I don't think the blue will look good on the silver that I have. I wanted the mag blue. Lewis, bro, converted to FD2 conversion. What's up, bro?
Hey, buddy.
What's up, bro? What's up, dog?
Chillin', man.
Chilling, man. It looks so good.
I love it. I love it.
How you like driving a functional car, bro? That shit nice.
Bro, I
dog.
be speeding everywhere.
Bro,
I
you
can't.
chilling, dog.
Because, you know, you gotta breathe.
Y'all know me, I hate filming car shows, so if you see a lack of content, make sure y'all subscribe to Fred's channel. All right, show some love to this TSX on what is that, KLN? Oh, K-Mod. That's not bad. The K-Mod, the Sidewinder? Yeah, it is clean. That is clean right there. I can't. Alright, so we left IFO like a couple hours ago, came by Fred's house.
I haven't drove in a long time, bro.
Randy's driving the big body, driving my boot thing, Crustina. Wow, bro, you look like an Integra owner, bro. Whip that corner, bro, you serious? Wow, bro, Randy's so cool, man. Whoa, relax. Oh, so cool. I want to be like you, bro. We're on our way to Texas Roadhouse for lunch today. I never had it, so Randy never had it. You ever had Texas Roadhouse? You never had it either. And you know, Ken and Robert, they're like restaurant gurus, so they say it's a good place. So we're all out to Texas Roadhouse. So we're at Texas Roadhouse, bro. First time here. You know, what should I expect, fellow women? Food? Bet.
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls? They got cinnamon rolls here?
Well, the rolls with the cinnamon butter.
I like cinnamon butter. Delicious.
Behold that. Hey, no, don't put that in there.
I'm cutting that shit right on out, bro. I got you, I got you. So the lady just brought out some bread, right? Shit fire. If you ever had Texas Roadhouse, it's free. If you sit down. Just let y'all know.
We're about to leave.
Yeah, we about to dip though. Oh yeah, the butter's fire. That butter right there got like some cinnamon. That shit fire. You're welcome. Facts. Dog, Randy is straight busting nuts, bro. Look at this, dog.
Fire for that. That shit was
Randy,
empty,
bro. You like them? That's all that matters if you like them, bro.
Thank you.
What about mine?
Did I hit that shit?
I didn't trust myself.
I wasn't sure.
I could have. I had it. I love this road. This road kind of nice.
Citrus, better.
Yeah, I know. I can't wait, man. I'm gonna wait on your car to get done so we can hit Citrus one night. Sunday night, hit that bitch around like 12. If you guys never been to Texas Roadhouse, I highly advise you to go to. Bro, the food is affordable. Those rolls or whatever it was with that cinnamon-esque of butter, bruh, and their shrimp, dog. Go to Texas Roadhouse. Fire, beyond fire. That might be the spot. My goal here on YouTube is to put y'all on to dope things. Yo, man, I hope you like the video essay. You know what I mean? Like, I hope you guys hit the like button, comment, and subscribe your favorite part of the video, fool. But in all seriousness, I can't eat cereal no more, man. It's just, it does something to my guts, dog. Yeah, I don't want to be lactose intolerant, bro. Y'all ever had a Wawa milkshake, bro? Like, man, God created milkshakes for us to endeavor. So next week, I'm gonna dedicate a whole week into creating content that all you guys want to see. I hate when YouTubers do that, cause they know damn well they just ain't got no content. I ain't got no content. I hope you guys had a fantastic day. When I see you, and when I flow with me, 'cause you was the light of me, and now you can't live your life. I be in the whip, and you be looking like scrimp, which means I wanna eat your booty, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, it's your boy Zosh, and I'm on a mic, and I'm looking for a real night with you.
Hey, you there? Huh? Bass.
Hey, nigga. Welcome to Mario Kart, nigga. Bye.